So, homemade tomato soup. First of all, we use a soup maker. You can use a liquidizer or a hand wand blender thing. It's just like using this because there's a blending function on there. Tip in your carrots, including the water. Next, throw in your beans. Oops. Followed by your tomatoes. Next, add 3 pickled onions. I like to use a bit of basil, so a little bit of basil. And a few splashes of Worcester sauce. There we are, all in the jug soup maker, ready to mix. Then if we choose the blend option, and blend for 2 minutes. So then once it's all blended, there we go. All we're going to do is put it into a cup, into the microwave and enjoy. Here we go. Homemade tomato soup with tins that you find in your cupboard. Bon appetit.